Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Velitra and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, today we're working on this Disney Princess Easter basket. I actually didn't even plan to do this basket, but I actually found these remote controls in Walgreens when I was looking for Spider-Man, and I found these and I was like, shoot, I have to do Disney Princess. So I did about 4 Disney Princess baskets. These little remote controls walkie-talkies came from Walgreens for $3.49, and that was a quality gift item, so I went ahead and got them. I'm like, yes, all of them. So then I got the Disney Princess puzzles from Dollar Tree. Of course, I just went ahead to Dollar Tree after I found the walkie-talkies, and I went ahead and just added some things to go with it to complete a basket. I also found these little dream catchers, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the back of the basket because there was nowhere to put it in the front, so we're going to make this kind of double-sided a little bit. And then I had these from last year from Walmart that I got for 10 cents, and those are the little grow capsules where they grow into little sponges of different shapes. And then I went ahead and put the shred in the basket, and then I'm going to go ahead and just make sure everything is covered up in the bottom. And I'm going to add these jump ropes I got from Dollar Tree. Y'all, I found these in Five Below for $3.25, so I went ahead and returned those and got them from Dollar Tree because I didn't know Dollar Tree had them. But then those little candies, they came in a 3-pack of the lollipops, and I got those from Dollar General. The lip glosses I got from Dollar General, and those I got for 50 cents. And I'm going to take the candy that I didn't use from Valentine's, take them out of this, and I'm going to put them in that. So we are not wasting. We are still going to use the candy that was left over for Valentine's. I'm going to fill the eggs with candy, and I'm just going to place the eggs that go with the color scheme. I remember telling you guys everybody got a golden egg. I don't know if y'all remember doing Easter egg hunts, and everybody wants the golden egg. So I tried to put a golden egg in each of my baskets this year so that all of the kids feel like they got a golden egg, even if they weren't able to go ahead and hunt eggs this year. So then I went ahead and just wrapped it up how I normally do, put a pull bow on that thing, and boom bam. So I already know y'all gonna ask, what did this basket go for? I was selling this basket for $30 ahead of time before I actually set up. So if you bought it before, or if anyone bought it before the weekend of Easter, it was $30. I believe like this was not enough, but for me going out on the street, these will actually sell for $40. So this basket is a $30 basket, but it will be a $40 basket when I go out on the street and sell. So this is what we're looking like. Disney Princess basket. Most items came from Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Candy came from Sam's Club in bulk, and this is what we got. So leave it a thumbs up, let me know what you think, and until next time, I'll see you later. Okay, bye.